What up, besties? It's your girl, Watch Me Cough, and welcome back to my channel. Today, another eating show. Let's go. I'm so freaking hungry. Like you saw in the beginning, we are doing Mexican food. I ordered Carne Asada fries, and I ordered a Fajita Burrito, and I'm so hungry, and I'm ready to eat. So, I'm going to show you what it looks like again. Okay? I'm showing you what it looks like again. And then I'm digging in, because I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Big Daddy Burrito. Big Daddy Burrito. Let's go. So I'm going to start with the Carne Asada fries because they're fried and I want to eat them as fresh as possible. So I watched him make this. I just am so excited. I'm so excited. Oh. A little cheese pull. No! No! Party foul. Oh my god. Full transparency. It was hard for me to film this mukbang today. As you can probably tell, I don't have any makeup on. I just kind of wanted to sit home and do nothing. But I got up and I just decided I was going to do it. Because some days are hard and you gotta keep trucking, you know? Wow. Blue Agave. Holy moly. Dang. I got the shredded cheese and the queso on it. Yo. That little cheese pull. That guacamole on there. Messy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Got me a Canada Dry ginger ale. This is one of my favorite sodas. I love that some people think of ginger ale like medicine. Saltine crackers and ginger ale is like medicine to some people. It does make you feel better. Okay, let's do one more bite of the... Did you just hear that? My burrito almost fell. I would cry. I actually would cry. This is so good, y'all. If you're local, I don't know if Blue Agave is outside of Washington, so Sorry if it's not, because oh my gosh, I haven't had Blue Agave in years. Years. And when I was deciding what I was going to eat for my mukbang, I was like, what should I get? I went back and forth on Chipotle and Blue Agave. And I've already done Chipotle, so I'm like, let's go support. I think it's family run. I don't know though. All right, let's get into this burrito. All right, so I have this big old burrito. This is gonna be really fun to eat in the car. I've got a knife here. Let's just cut up some pieces and let's just get into it. While I do this, I can kind of tell you what's been going on. I have been really taking a go at my business. Watch me cough. I sell a variety of things. I'm actually going to show you guys here in a little bit some products that I sell. But I've been doing a lot of like vendor shows and stuff, and a lot of events. I might have to put this down and cut it. I've been doing like a lot of events and stuff, and it's just been really crazy lately. And so I've been a little bit overwhelmed, honestly, with everything going on, because I mean, starting a business is not for the weak. Like, it is not easy. It's not easy. Okay, here we go. This is the first bite. This is the Fajita Burrito. That was spiritual. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Why have I not gotten this in years? Like, you guys, if you are local, run, don't walk. Like, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so freaking good. Okay, so you get a good bite in there. Oh yeah. Oh. That meat. Damn. I might have so much leftovers. Oh my gosh, you can tell the steak is marinated. No, this is how you do it. Chipotle, who? Because this is bomb. Wow. 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 That's all I can say. I lost my voice a little bit yesterday because I was at a vendor show. I was screaming my head off. Y'all, this is such a good meal. Oh, by the way, happy Easter. Happy Easter. Totally forgot about that. All right, I'm gonna show you guys some of my products actually real quick before I jump back into eating. So I've never really done this before, but I'm gonna shamelessly plug my business in the middle of my mukbang right now. So these are roach clips that I sell, or ATM card holders if you have long nails and can't get your card out the ATM. These next 3 clips are a part of my 90s collection. I love these ones. These ones have been really popular. I'll show you how they clip. This is the last one from the 90s set. This is one of my favorites. All right, so we have this one. This one's really pretty. Just gleaming away, just gleaming. These are all handmade, 100%. This was part of my Valentine's Day collection. You can see on the end there, the Be Mine. That's part of the Valentine's Day collection. And then this is the last clip I'm gonna show you. Well, I'm gonna show you one more, but it's part of a set. So then I sell toker pokers or bowl cleaners. Oh, I love this one. Look at how pretty this one is. The rainbow in that cloud. I love it so much. All right, then we have this one. This one's like pretty pink, if you like pink, and the little dangly on the bottom. Love that. We have this one. This one honestly goes with any. I love that gold wrapping that it has on it. 100% handmade, like I said. That's the tip of it, so you can kind of see. No, I don't think I'm gonna be able to. But it literally works perfect for cleaning out your bowl. And then the last one of the toker pokers that I'm gonna show you is this one. So pretty. It's like a peach and pink color. I love that it's just gleaming all over the place right now. And then this last one that I'm gonna show you, this is a set. So this would come together. Let's turn it on its side. There we go. So this is a set, the toker poker and the roach clip or ATM card holder. That would come together in a set. So if anybody is interested in purchasing anything, let me know. I am really trying hard to make it to Cantana Fest this year, Cantana 2024. It is at the beginning of August, which is also my birthday month, and I am taking donations right now to make my dreams come true and get me to Cantana Fest this year. I wasn't able to go last year because I just couldn't afford it, and I didn't have my stuff together. I didn't have my SHIT together. So I did not do it last year, but I really want to do it this year. So I'm taking donations. I'm going to drop all my information below if you want to donate. I would just be forever grateful if you guys can help me get to Cantana Festival. I'd be elated. So those are some of the things that I sell. My website is currently down, but it will most likely be up tomorrow, which is Monday or Tuesday, and it will have all sorts of things, not just these things. It will have so many different things on it. So please check it out. I'm going to drop the link down below, and yeah, I guess we could just get back to eating now. Thanks for letting me shamelessly plug my business. All right, so let's get back in to the burrito. I'm gonna say, if you like to hold your burrito and pick it up and eat it, this is not that meal. It's not. And that's why it's in this big old thing. A little cheese pull. Bruh, take a bite. Needed this meal right here. People out here walking their dogs, looking at me. Do I care? Nope. Man. I'm gonna have that. I just after this, I'm gonna have to go take a nap. Like, no joke. I'm in my little denim jumper. A little 90s vibe. All right. Let's get a couple more bites of this Carne Asada masterpiece. And then I'm gonna probably close out. If you guys have any questions about my merch or anything like that, you can drop them down below as well. I'm full, y'all. I'm gonna have mad leftovers, and I'm not mad about it. Time for a nap. I am tired though now that I ate. Real talk, I am tired. But that's not the point. The point is, if you're still here and you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. That helps my channel so much, y'all. You have no idea. If you want to influence what Watch Me Cough is eating, please visit my Instagram. The link will be linked down below in the description box. I post a poll on Fridays, so if you want to influence my decision on what I'm eating, please make sure you're there on Fridays to click that button, okay? If you haven't already, hit that post notification button or that subscribe button. Do it now. All right, do it. Click it. And if you fast forwarded through my spiel earlier, please donate and help me get to Cantana Festival 2024, y'all. Please. I'm trying to get there. I couldn't go last year. I'm trying to make it there this year. The vendor fee is $500. I already have $20, and thank you to all that have donated already. Those links will be linked down below as well. Please just do what y'all do. Do what y'all do, and thank you so much. The support is so real. I love y'all. I'll see you next Sunday.